everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and today's doll is Summer. She's an American Girl doll, and along with talking about this doll, I'm actually going to put a new outfit on her. This is thanks to my sister Terry over at Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, and also Joy Making with Tapping Flamingo on YouTube. She gave me this little cute outfit for one of my American Girl dolls, and she made some jewelry for her. She made this wire-wrapped shell fragment that's crocheted with beads, this little necklace, and the super cute little bracelet. Oh, it's upside down. The super cute little bracelet with her name, and she made 3 other bracelets for my other American Girl dolls. So, by the way, she makes jewelry on her Joy Making YouTube channel, Joy Making with Tapping Flamingo, and then, of course, she makes jewelry also for dolls on Be Creative over there. So, yeah, let's flip the camera around and I'll talk a little bit about this fairly new release of this doll. She's not that old, and change out her outfit. Of course, when you lay these 18-inch American Girl dolls down, their eyes close, but just FYI, she does have, she's got blue eyes. But she has blue eyes, and she has pink hair that's kind of mixed in with her blonde hair. Let me take this little necklace off of her. She's actually wearing an outfit for Christmas. And as I do this video series where I show you a doll a day for my collection, you will probably see me changing out people's outfits. People as in dolls. So you'll probably see me change out their outfits. So I will sometimes just sit down a doll and talk about the doll. But then I thought, you know what? A lot of times I need to change out their outfits, especially because I like to redress a lot of them for the holidays and make little displays and that kind of thing for them. So that's probably going to be part of my daily videos. She was a 2025 release, and she was not, I feel like she was not super popular. As soon as I saw her, I liked her right away because, first of all, I was looking for another American Girl doll. I don't have a huge AG doll collection. I have her and 3 other dolls. But I wanted one that was blonde with blue eyes. And then, you know, bing-a-da-bango, here she comes, 2025 American Girl Doll of the Year. And so she pretty much fit the bill. I also liked her meat outfit. It was this really cute tie-dye, lots of pink in it. You know, pastel tie-dye, so I thought dress and very cute shoes. And so I really liked her look. A lot of people kind of are like, you know, another blonde, another, you know, she likes dogs, she likes to bake cookies, you know, that kind of thing. So they felt like she wasn't that unique or special. And I get that. I get it. But I don't know, I guess for me, because I don't have a ton of these dolls, you know, that didn't really faze me. And like I said, I really liked her look. And then, of course, she came on sale. So I'm always a sucker for a doll sale. But you can see she's got this, like, it's pink hair, but it's not very bright pink. And it's underneath her blonde. I could say that's my only, like, really beef with this particular release. I feel like, you know, if you're going to have, you know, if you're going to go with a little bit of colored hair, a little fantasy hair, you know, let's see it. I shouldn't have to pull her hair back to, you know, the top layer of hair to see that she's got some pink highlights. Just, you know, give it up, folks. Let's just see the pink highlights. I love this top. I think this will also fit on, I'm curious what this will look like on a smart doll too, because some of these American Girl clothes you can also wear, you can also have your smart dolls wear them. But this is so cute. Once I start sewing again, I might steal this little idea here where they basically make a tunic and then give the, you know, sew on a bunch of lace, because I have some lace pieces like this. So it's just a big piece of lace that kind of works like a skirt. All right, and then we've got these little boots, and they're like a faux suede. So put those on. But I personally like her. You know, like I said, I get that she wasn't unique enough for some people, especially if, you know, that's the thing is when you start collecting dolls, and you get a fairly large group in your collection, you can start becoming a little bit more discerning, right? You know, a little bit more picky with what you're going to add to your selection, you know, to your collection. So woo. So I kind of understand, you know, why collectors might have, you know, not been thrilled with her. And I would say, yeah, I feel like her story wasn't that crazy unique. Oh my gosh, let me do this off camera. I'll be back. All right, here she is. And by the way, so she has the Nania mold. And from what I have read, she is the first girl of the year to actually use the Nania mold. And interestingly enough, like I said, I only have a few dolls, American Girl dolls, and one of them is Nania. Too funny. So she has these really cute braids. And like I said, she's got the pink hair, but it's kind of underneath. I would have liked to seen, like, I think it would have been cool to make the braids pink. That would have been my preference, you know. But she looks adorable in this outfit. Her skin tone is considered light. And like I said, she has blue eyes. I think this necklace is perfect for this outfit. And it's funny that there's a little bit of pink in there, and there's pink in her hair. And Terry had no idea that I was going to put this outfit on Summer. So yeah, I'm looking forward to putting the little bracelets on my other dolls, and I hope you enjoyed this doll of the day video. As usual, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Please have a wonderful dolly day, and let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have this American Girl doll or any American Girl dolls in your collection? Bye bye.